Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming two things. You are signed into the Xbox account that uses Fortnite, and the game is installed. Once signed in, make sure your account is verified. Microsoft may ask for two-step verification. Next, locate the 16-character code on the Fortnite gift card and keep it visible. This avoids typing errors. You do this now because Xbox ties V-Bucks and item purchases to the active Epic/Microsoft account, so entering the code into the wrong profile will misplace funds. Now redeem the card through the Xbox interface by opening Microsoft Store, selecting your profile, then redeem code. Type the 16-character code exactly, use dashes if the interface shows them, because one wrong character prevents acceptance. After redeeming, check your Microsoft Wallet or store balance to confirm funds. Then launch Fortnite, go to the in-game store, and confirm that V-Bucks or item credit is available. This step links the Microsoft balance to Epic purchases, so you can spend immediately without leaving the console. Finish by buying V-Bucks or items inside Fortnite. Open the Item Shop or V-Bucks tab, choose what you want, and confirm the purchase using your Microsoft balance. Make sure your Xbox account is linked to your Epic Games account. If not, link them via Epic settings on a browser, then retry. If purchase fails, sign out and back in, verify parental controls or region restrictions, and ensure the card was redeemed to the same account. One key troubleshooting tip is to check account linking first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.